Namaskar. May I introduce myself? I'm Prakash Astrologer. Going to present you monthly forecast for the month of January 2014 from Aries to Pisces. Let us start with Aries. In every forecast, we will present the monthly forecast, predictions, recommendations, precautions, what you should do, what you shouldn't do. Let us start with Aries. In this coming month, you'll come across few professional and personal complications. You must refrain from losing temper. You got to watch your health and any issue linked with blood, lower abdomen and feet. Please drive very carefully. Be prepared for travel. You might have to go abroad. You must think very carefully before you make any change or any kind of changes in your profession. You must watch your choices and decisions. You will get all the support and help from your loved one. But any joint venture should be handled very carefully. Task of the month for Aries: to balance the astrological equation. You must feed 700 gram barley to birds again and again. And do wear saffron tilak on your forehead whenever you can. For the month for Aries, the astrological equation is like this. You'll come across quite a few professional opportunities, financial opportunities. You can make a lot of money. You can involve in a joint venture, but you have to take a right move at the right time. Support will be there. You can achieve something dignified. You will go into a traveling mode. Change is a law of nature, but go and flow with a smooth change. One particular task I like to give you, which might boost your luck. Time to time donate young girls under the age of 11 green dresses, money and sweets. Do wear saffron tilak again and again. And if you can do that, do lot of Devi Upasana. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Lakshmi Rupen Sasasthaye Namastasyaye Namastasyaye Namo Name. Let's talk about the Taurus. What the month of January is holding for you? For Taurus, you will be able to materialize most of your plans, but you'll have to work hard for your success, for your gain. You'll be planning for going abroad, you'll be traveling abroad. But if you're involved in any kind of professional conflict, then you must handle any type of situation very carefully. All the decision must be made with logic, not only emotions, not in any form of anger. Your ability will be recognized and appreciated. Task for Taurus for the coming month of January 2014. Time to time, please donate wholemeal atta, rice, whole moong dal to temple. Taurus, for coming month January 2014, your ability will be recognized and appreciated. Your word of speech will be honored. At the same time, you must look after your health and well-being linked with lower abdomen. Try to refrain from any kind of aggressive behavior. Whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to do, you got to make sure you must have a proper plan instead of going for hit and trial. Let's talk about Gemini. For Gemini, you will face quite a few professional challenges, professional complications. If you are involved in any joint venture, then most of your efforts will be rewarded. You must make sure you should create a peace, harmony in your family and relationship. You must take care of your partner's well-being and health. If you're dealing with any kind of legal matters, then you must be very careful during this particular period. Task of the month: donate 2 kg pure ghee to temple. Donate 5 kg almonds to temple. For Gemini, the coming month is very active, very dynamic. But refrain from any kind of mood swings. Try to calm down any kind of a family conflict. If there's any situation which is you sound tricky with a family relationship, you got to sort it out with passion and understanding. And Gemini, try to be a good listener. Any situation linked with legality, you have to consult the legal expert. Look after your partner's health and well-being. Now we talk about Cancer. For the coming month, 2014 January, for Cancerian, due to Saturn's effect, you will have to go through a lot of mental tension, domestic complications, quite a few challenges. You can be quite restless, sometimes very upset. Level of satisfaction might not be there at all. You got to make sure you are not living in any kind of a conflict linked with personal life or professional life. If you are, then you must sort it out. Try not to be part of any kind of a problem. Try to be part of a solution, not a problem. After 14th January, situation will improve for good. Task of the month for 2014 January. Time to time donate wholemeal atta, rice, whole moong dal and haldi powder to temple. Month of January can be tricky. You got to make sure if you are having any kind of romantic relationship, try to invest passion in the relationship, not aggression. And try to calm down your family situation. If there's any problem with the professional fluctuation, you got to handle the situation very, very carefully. Now we talk about all the lions and lionesses. Leo. Month of January for Leo, more you will active, more you will be creative, more you will achieve. You'll involve in new projects, new ventures, new idea, new concept. There will be quite a few new investment waiting for you. But at the same time, lots of uncertainties, lots of suspicions are there. You got to watch your word of speech. Health-wise, you must be very careful regarding any issue linked with urine, lower abdomen and skin. Any professional ventures have to be done with well thoughtful planning. Task of the month. Time to time donate 2 kg pure ghee to temple again and again. For Leo, try to wear a saffron tilak on your forehead for your rise, for your prosperity. For the Leo, you got to watch your word of speech. Try not to lash out anybody with your tongue. You got to be humble, polite, sweet. Then situation will be in your favor. Health-wise, look after your back, your spine. Health-wise, look after your joints. Look after your professional decision. All the professional decisions should be made in a proper consideration. Do talk to your partner. Do take a support or guidance or advice from your parents or family or partner. Now we're going to talk about Virgo. For Virgo, coming month, January 2014, you got to use your energy in a most productive way, most creative way, most active way. Not losing your temper all the time, getting annoyed all the time, getting grumpy all the time, long face all the time. No. Health-wise, you must take care of any issue linked with digestive system or any issue with blood or urine. You'll have to be part of solution, not a part of a problem. You will come across an opportunity from abroad. Any matter linked with property must be addressed. Task of the month. Donate bananas to temple. Donate money to the blind people. For Virgo, you got to watch your word of speech. Make sure you should not hurt anyone's feeling with your sharp tongue. Try to calm down your temper, and word of speech have to be honorable. This coming month can offer you a lot of opportunities linked with property and profession. If you're looking for an authority, this is the right month for that. But you must learn how to use the authority. Otherwise, you end up spoiling your relationship. If you're involved in a love relationship or love triangle or love relationship, you have to be extra cautious and extremely cautious and very careful. Now we're talking about Libra. For Libra, this coming month will bring a mixed fruit for you. You'll come across quite a few professional gains, financial opportunities. There will be many obstacles and delays, waste of time as well, and there will be quite a lot of fruitless expenditures. But you must make sure there must not be any kind of outside influence in your marriage or relationship. Otherwise, your relationship can be spoiled. You must make sure doors of communication must not be shut, always open, and that is only way you can resolve any relationship crisis. Libra, task of the week or task of the month. Task of the month for 2014 January. Please do donate whole meal atta, rice, whole moong dal to temple. Feed birds barley again and again. For Libra, refrain from any kind of aggressive attitude, any kind of stubborn attitude. If you're involving yourself in any kind of investment, and if you're applying for a loan, I don't think so this is the right time. But definitely, you'll involve in a deal of a property or car. Comfort level will definitely going to rise. But this coming month of January will offer you lots of opportunities, lot of new contacts, starting a new chapter as well. Your source of income will be flourished, but you got to act with tact. Talking about Scorpio. For Scorpio 2014 January, you'll come across many financial and professional opportunities, but you got to watch yourself. But a lot of depends how you deal with the opportunities. You must avoid any kind of distractions, any kind of outside influence in your life, which can only waste your time and waste your money. Most of your well thoughtful effort will be rewarded. This is not the right time for borrowing any kind of money from anybody or for investment purposes even. Health-wise, you must look after your lower abdomen and chest. Task of the week, flow 8 kg chana dal in the flowing river. Feed 1200 gram barley to birds. For Scorpio, this is the month of January. If there is any health issue linked with asthma or heart, you must consult your doctor. Please always try to check your debts or financial expenditures. You got to watch your expenditure. Health-wise, you must make sure there should not be any issue linked with tension or depression. For Scorpio, more you active, more you creative, more you achieve something dignified. Talking about Sagittarius for month of January. Sagittarius, you'll be in contact with highly professional people. Many financial and professional opportunities are in your way. There will be a rise in your status and prestige, but you got to put a lot of your efforts in your word of speech and presentation. This is the time you can start involve yourself in a new project. You will get all the support and help from the family and friends. Family and friends will stand by you, thick or thin. Task of the month for Sagittarius, do donate 5 kg bananas to temple. For Sagittarius, this is very active, very productive, very dignified month. Professionally, you will see a rise. Professionally, you will be promoted. Professionally, the financial gain will be there. Support will be there. For Sagittarius, if you are going for an interview, you will definitely get a job. Any joint venture will be definitely successful. Sagittarius, this coming month, if you are involving yourself in any technicality, you must consult an expert. Task of the month for Sagittarius, second version. Keep honey in a clay pot. Keep honey in a silver pot. Time to time, feed barley to birds again and again, again and again. Do not give your own garments, your own bone garments or clothes to anybody in charity. Talking about Capricorn. Capricorn in this coming month January 2014. In this coming month, you must be prepared for change of place and travel. You must prepare yourself for foreign travel. There will be lots of running around. Lot of issues are there. Some sort of mental tensions are there. This month can be dedicated for professional accomplishment. You have to be dynamic. Build up your spirit. Build up your morale. Motivate yourself. Refresh your vision. This month belongs to you. You'll be definitely achieving a dignified status and prestige. There will be a rise in your expenditure, rise in your spending, but every penny you will spend with your will. Sometime peace of mind can be missing. Peace of mind will not be there, but you'll have to handle a lot. You must take care of your personal relationship. Make sure, Capricorn, don't lose temper, don't go mad. Calm down yourself. Task of the month for 2014 January for Capricorn. Do donate atta, rice, whole moong dal to temple. Do donate chana dal to temple. Do flow chana dal in the flowing river as well to balance the equation. Dump or throw 10 kilogram barley in the lake or pond. That will balance the equation. Capricorn, love is outside, love is inside. You're revolving around by the romance and love. Too much attention is given to you. This particular time, too much fun is there around you. Have a good time. But at the same time, plan your expenditure. Look after your profession. Opportunities are there. Definitely, there will be a rise in status, a rise in prestige. But you have to handle the situation very tactfully, very carefully. Health-wise, if you are asthmatic, look after your health and well-being. Time to time, donate chana dal to temple. Please, always be a presentable. Always put an effort in your presentation or lifestyle. Always wear a perfume or spray. Talking about Aquarius for 2014 January. Aquarius, you'll come across many domestic complications, but please refrain from losing temper. Try not to be aggressive, temperamental, or over stubborn. Now, your income and expenditure will be sky high. You'll travel around the world. You'll travel quite a lot. But if you're a professional consultant or banker, this month can be dedicated to you. This month will definitely bring dignified opportunities for you. It's up to you how you're going to use those opportunities. You'll be quite busy in your social events, religious events. A lot of events are there for you. Task of the month for 2014 January. Do donate 8 kilogram sugar to temple. Bury 12 blue flowers in the ground. For Aquarius, this coming month, you have to refrain from aggressive behavior. You have to refrain from moody swings. Your ability will be recognized and appreciated. Health-wise, look after your lower abdomen, any problem linked with blood, urine, and look after your back. Time to talk about Pisces. Pisces 2014 January. You will involve in deals of car, property, assets. Your efforts will be rewarded, but you'll go through a struggle. Always watch your word of speech. Try not to present any kind of out of control behavior. Health-wise, you must take care of your lower abdomen and back. If there is any sharp pain in your chest or back, then you must consult your doctor. Try not to offend anybody with your word or speech. Try to be honorable. Task of the month for Pisces, for month of 2014 January. Do wear gold square piece, a gold square pendant in a gold chain around your neck. But if you can afford it, do wear a golden yellow sapphire and gold square pendant around your neck in a gold chain. Then it will be fantastic. Donate whole urad and almonds to temple. It will work for you. Pisces, always watch your word of speech. Make sure you should not backstab anybody. If you do, it will come back to you. Try not to bother with that. Time to time, please donate money, food to the blind people if you can. And always put an effort on your presentation, lifestyle. Wish you all the best in this coming new year. Wish you all the best with happiness, health, lots of fun. And I'll be going now. I'll be back next month. Take care. Bye-bye.